Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm want to do a everyday, like my winter everyday winter everyday natural look. So yeah, I am going to be listening to some music late in this video, music too, and it's Thursday, so I'm going to listen to somebody like that. But I do have one of child, like it's kind of like part of childhood and part of of that. I'm sorry, 'cause I don't want nobody to be staring at me. I got the shades open. Okay. So yeah, I already put Vaseline on my face because that's what I kind of do first and station on. I was going to do that to make it kind of more natural because I know my skin's like a little brown, a little light and brown. I know I got these spots right here. I was going to kind of do that, but I'm not really going nowhere. And a little eyeshadow, and so it don't want to come out. And this is what I kind of use. Oh, get the thing backwards. This is what I use to put it on, all everything and stuff. Stuck on the side of this. I don't think you can see it. Right there. Making it more like a natural kind of look. I'm just gonna use my finger on this one and just kind of do like that on this. Probably just use some of this and like use one of these. Well, probably just use both to kind of make it more blending, natural kind of that. I'm using my other mirror I got because my other one's kind of little, so I'm just gonna use this mirror. Use my finger. Using this. On my eyes. Kind of putting too much on my finger. When I use your brushes, it's better to kind of use this too, and then kind of, especially trying to make it a little more natural. I'm sorry, it's not really quite like a natural, but I'm gonna try my best to kind of make it more like natural looking. I should have just used the pink kind and just kind of, probably should just did that first and just did it like that. It's not like quite like a natural look. I kind of just it's not quite like a natural. My bad, mistake on that right here. I use that. Sometimes I use it, but I don't really got the white eyeliner pencil in. Ooh, she messed up on that. I missed it but I'm thinking about just take this off. When I'm thinking, jump to so crazy, something playing my song, and I wanna be okay. Song, fly away. Not in that movie, my hips like yeah. This on my face, on this one, I don't have enough in here, so I'm going to have to try to squeeze it out really good because it's like there's like it's none in this thing. Some of it. Try it. My heart, you know. here on my face. That's why I need to find something that, I don't know why, my face just dries up. The foundation works really good on my, something that I think that's really good to help us. It says for dry, natural skin. It says right here at the bottom. It says like natural to dry. I don't know, I might need to get like another type of foundation, probably ItsMsTiffanyRe, I think, powder on it, because I don't want to make it too much worse on it. I'm gonna try to. So of course I'm missing in my over here. Oh shit. See, look. It's this. So if you have this type of problem of the powder be too much, just kind of do like this and just don't put this. Turn it together. Make it more blending as my natural skin. I hope I do not show I pick, because this is like the highlighter, and this is the blush, a little bit of that. I really haven't used this yet. It hasn't been open, and this one has been open, so makes it kind of make it more like a natural. I'm gonna use this, but on my next video I am gonna use this because I'm gonna do another makeup video. Like on the next video I'm gonna use it. It's like for brush thing, so I'm gonna use this for it. I kind of still love using this. It still feels so. Do like this to blend it and just kind of take some of it off. Like one of these, this to make my lips more natural, because I don't like lip gloss. I used to have lip gloss when I was like in high school, but I don't have none. This kind of works really good to use. They got earring one you use at Walmart to use if your lips be so choppy, because my lips still be choppy when it's the one that you use. I don't have like the other kinds of people be using. I kind of mess up a little bit on my face, which I think it's like natural looking. So I hope that y'all like this video that I did on this face and stuff. I kind of did this face kind of like this before, but I think this kind of part of it like is like natural. I try to not put dark right here. Next time when I do another one, it's not gonna be a dark one. Just like, comment, subscribe, click the bell notification, and I see you doing on my next video for my Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, and I post pictures every week on my Instagram on there. And yeah, and I gotta go, and I'll see you doing Saturday. So yeah.